been getting pretty hot lately. Got some things ordered off eBay that should help get a few things off the list for the generator to get that installed into the cabinet so I can let that run for extended periods of time instead of leaving it out. I don't like leaving, even chained up, I don't like leaving it out there in the open. So yeah, I got it all planned out. I think we gotta get a good game plan. And just a few more things to get after that. I'm kind of taking it easy. Don't want to buy everything all at once. I'm trying to be smart with my money. So I got a few things off the eBay later this month, or later next month. I'll work on getting the rest of the stuff. Anyway, gonna make some toast before it gets too hot. It's 10:40. It's gonna get a little bit hotter today. I'm in a pretty big parking lot. This is probably the biggest I know of here in Vancouver. And to those who keep commenting, I know these are meant for having a wire on each post, but I can't afford that much copper. So I have these little jumpers going in between to divide the load between each of these posts. Because on the inside there's 3 wires on each of these and they're small. I don't know if they're 10 gauge or if they're 12 gauge. But I didn't want to put one aught wire, a big old wire on just one post. And also peace of mind too. I just jumpered them all together. That way it's the load from this big wire is divided evenly. That's why. And these wires, there's not enough wire there to block that fan. There's still plenty of airflow. The fan rarely even turns on unless I got a big enough load on it. Oh. Sweet. Looks good to me. It's creeping up there. Almost 82. At 11:30-ish almost. So far so good. In the back of the bedroom stand, pretty cool. Taped off some more Reflectix, so this window's got almost completely sealed. This one I cannot, because it's got the vent there. Alright, 6:04. Now it's gotten a little too hot. If it wasn't the end of the day, I'd be setting up the air conditioner. So we moved spots to a different Walmart. Stayed a couple nights at that last one with a big old parking lot. So I figured it's time to come to a different one. Still here in Vancouver. Ugh. Gonna try and catch up on some sleep tonight. It was pretty noisy at the last spot. That truck with the dump truck that was doing that work earlier, he's doing that all day. Him and one other truck. They were I couldn't tell what they were doing. They were dumping one off and picking up the other. So I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna try and catch up on a little sleep here. The Walmart off the freeway here. Got a neighbor across from me here, and I got one other boondocker way down there. See the blue tarp on the roof. Alright, so they weren't the best of neighbors. Kind of noisy. Sounded like they were having a party. So I took off, came to a new spot here. I have not stayed the night at yet, I don't think. It's a pretty quiet road. It's next to apartment complex here to my left. There's a grocery store on my right. A bunch of semi-trucks park here all the time, so I've took note of it and we'll try it out tonight. Alright, managed to make it through the night. A super quiet spot, which is nice. It's easier to get to sleep, but I was still pretty restless last night. Probably got 4 hours of sleep. Which isn't bad, sometimes I don't sleep. Yeah, super quiet spot. I think I'm going to try to stay here another night. I am low on gas and money, so I need to start traveling less and try and make it through the next few weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna walk a mile or so that way to my post office box. I'm back in kind of my part of town. I'm gonna walk a mile this way to take care of something else, get some groceries, something else on my list I can't remember. I'll head back here, get some video editing done. I'll pull the footage off this camera, get caught up over the last couple days, and yeah, get back to catching up on sleep. If I could stay here, this would be a good spot for sleep. But anyway, yeah, hot weather. Last day today for hot weather. It's supposed to be 85 degrees. It's cold this morning. And then the next 5 days will be rain. Especially after all this heat. I would love it. It's actually the cold I don't like. The extreme cold or extreme heats is just not cool. Rain I can deal with. So, anyway, I'm going to get caught up on some footage here, get some chores done, and stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.